Okay, today we are going to discuss one chart. This chart is of a friend of mine, and he showed me his chart. You can see the date of birth, time, and place of birth.
Okay.
The date of birth is 24th 9 1980. Time is 9:28 a.m. Place is Kurukshetra. Okay, so this is the D1
Okay.
chart. No
Okay.
need to prepare. It's all I have already made this. So this is a D1 chart. You can see it's a Tula Lagna Kundli. Okay, Libra Lagna Kundli.
Okay.
And you can see the various placement. The Lagnesh is sitting in the 10th house. Okay, and
Yeah.
the many planets are sitting like Saturn, Sun, and Mercury are sitting in the 12th house. Jupiter is sitting in the 11th house. Ketu is sitting in the 4th house. Okay, so
Okay.
can you tell me what you can see from this chart?
So Lucknow is occupied by Mars.
Okay,
Ketu is in fourth house. Okay.
yeah. Hmm. So the
Fourth
rule,
house says no peace of mind
yeah,
and take
the
away.
exactly wherever Ketu is sitting, na, the person will not get all the karak tattvas of that house will get burnt out, will get destroyed. Ketu will take away all those things.
Yeah.
Wherever Ketu sits, it will just take away all those things
But
from related to that
but
house.
it is good. Yeah, it's good in the fifth house. No, last time we discussed fifth house. It is Ketu is good.
You can say, but it's in the fourth house. Na? In this kundli, it's in the fourth house.
Okay.
Okay, so fourth house related, as you said, that there will be problems related to mother, because fourth
Yes.
house is of mother, so there will definitely be problems related to the mother. Peace of mind, peace of mind will be a problem. If he wants to purchase a home or a vehicle, there will be also a problem. There will be no happiness from those things. Okay,
Okay.
so all those fourth house related things will be a little bit in trouble. It will get it will not allow those fourth house things. Okay, and
Okay.
comfort. Fourth house is also comfort. Okay, so
Yes.
comfort. There will be no comfort in his life. No, there will be no happiness in this life if Ketu Dasa is running. So why I'm focusing on Ketu, because his Ketu Dasa is running from 2017 itself, more previously also running through, now currently running through Ketu, and Rahu has just finished. He's running through Ketu and Jupiter period currently. Okay, therefore
Okay.
our focus is on Ketu. So as you said, let's check in which nakshatra Ketu is sitting. So one thing is for sure, that Ketu is going to take all the things related to the fourth house. Okay, but Ketu
Yeah.
is in the nakshatra in which Ketu is also sitting, that nakshatra lord, wherever it is placed, or the houses it is ruling, that also is going to be get impacted.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check
Yeah.
Ketu in which nakshatra it is sitting. Okay,
Ketu is in
wait. Ketu is
little bit
sitting in the Dhanishta nakshatra.
Dhanishta Nakshatra.
Who is the ruler of Dhanishta nakshatra?
I think so. It's a Mars, no?
Yeah, exactly, Mars. Mars is
Yeah.
the ruler of Dhanishta nakshatra. So Ketu is see, Ketu is, wait a second, just a second. So Ketu is sitting in the nakshatra of Mars. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So let's check in this kundli where Mars is. Mars is in the Lagna. So Ketu, what are the results Ketu is going to give?
Mars is in Lagna.
So I am making a text here. Wait.
Yeah.
So what things he is going to get? Let's put it here. So Ketu, Dasha running. So
Yeah.
he will be deprived of fourth house related things.
Yes.
So I have written fourth house deprived. All those characters which I have discussed earlier. So now Ketu is also going to give the results of Mars. So which house Mars is holding? Mars is holding the seventh house, and
First house, eighth
uh,
house.
yeah, seventh,
Sorry,
no,
second
seventh,
house.
second, and
Seventh
sitting in the
and
Lagna.
yeah, one.
Okay, So these are the houses which also going to get impacted because Ketu is sitting in the Dhanishta Nakshatra ruled by Mars.
Yeah.
So, so you can also write loss of all these karak tattvas of the seventh house, which are the karak tattvas of seventh house, which are the things related to seventh house. That is obviously marriage. So this person will definitely have problems related to marriage. Second house is of wealth, so savings. So definitely problems with savings. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And number one is health, his health, and self ego, that all those ego, self, pride, body, there will be impact on that also. So there will be loss.
So whatever, because Ketu is the takeaway deprived, so
Hmm.
the stellar, that star lord position will show indicate the where
Mm,
exactly it's
yeah,
taking.
exactly. So I
So
have
can we
talked.
say like that, two
Hmm.
seven is two is money, seven is marriage,
Hmm.
Lagna is also good. So can we say the sense good or
No, no, no,
something
no,
like
no,
that?
no, no, no. I told you the formula. Wherever Ketu is sitting, it will deprive. It will
Okay.
make that house dry. And in which nakshatra it is sitting, the nakshatra lord will also face. The nakshatra lord will also
Okay.
get
Okay. Okay.
dry. It will give dry
Okay. Okay.
results. So who is the nakshatra lord? Mars. Mars is
Mass.
also in the loss. So the
Yeah.
houses Mars is holding, the seventh house, it will be problematic. The second house of wealth is going to be problematic. His problem is going to happen with him
Yeah.
also. So I talked with that person. He is saying that his mother is seriously ill. He doesn't have money issues happening with him. His health is also. I'm not talked about his health, but he's complaining about his mother health and financial condition very poor. So, and marriage, obviously marriage has not happened. He is crossed how much? 1980 born, 20 and 31. He's close to 31, not yet married because Ketu Dasa started very early, 2017, I guess. Ketu Dasa, 16, 17. So you can see what Ketu is giving the results. So Ketu is depriving him from the fourth house related things, the second house related things, that is the wealth and the marriage.
Okay.
Okay, so now coming to the remedies. Okay, anything more you want to add, like what will be the career of this person? So if you want to know the career of this person, we have to straight away go to the 10th house.
Yeah. 10th house is the 10th lord is moon.
Hmm.
Where is moon? Moon is in the
6th
one,
house.
two, three. Yeah. Moon is in the sixth house.
6th house.
Can you show
Let's
me the star?
yeah, exactly. Let's go
Nakshatra?
directly to the nakshatra. If we go directly to the nakshatra, moon is sitting in the nakshatra of Purva
Purvabhadra.
Bhadrapada. Can you tell me who is the nakshatra lord of Purva Bhadrapada?
Purvabhadra is actually
Hmm.
Jupiter.
Try to guess.
Jupiter, I think so.
Sorry, it's not audible little bit.
Jupiter.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. True.
Yeah.
So Purva Bhadrapada is ruled by, as you said, Jupiter. So in that case, we have to check the Jupiter condition here.
Yes.
So let's see where is Jupiter. Just a second. But there is audio problem, I guess.
From
Not
my
from
side?
no from my side, I think. Oh,
Yeah,
so
my side I have some problem. Yeah.
okay, so we now want to know the career. So looking at the career house, we saw that Moon is holding the career part, and Moon is in the sixth house. Okay, sixth house daily wages. That's not bad, but the condition of Moon is going to be, we have to see the nakshatra lord, which is showing Purva Bhadrapada. Lord is Jupiter. So let's
Yeah.
do the same analysis here. Career, Moon in the sixth house. Okay, that's not that a bad position because sixth house is daily wages. A little bit disturbances will happen, that's okay. But Jupiter is showing us, Jupiter is holding the houses of say
Three,
3
three, and
and
six, and 11.
3
So
and
Upachya
6,
house, no?
11. Okay,
So
all the
increase.
Upacha houses. So it is showing that he has to put lot of extra efforts to get gains.
Yeah.
Yeah, and to make this circle clear, we have to go one more step. to know the exact picture of career. What is showing, career is showing placement wise, planet wise, moon is showing okay results. Sixth house is okay. It's the house of daily
Yeah.
wages. It's showing okay results. But we got one more step ahead. We went one more step inside it. We saw Jupiter is a nakshatra lord, which is showing 3, 6, 11 Kama houses, and you can say that these are Upacha houses, as you say, and slowly
Yeah.
and slowly it will improve, but he has to put a lot of extra efforts in this. Okay,
Yes.
and
Yes.
to complete the circle, we have to see which nakshatra Jupiter is showing. That will complete it. Complete it.
Okay.
Let's see. Just a second.
Yeah.
Okay, Jupiter is showing Uttar Falguni.
Uttara
Uttara
Falguni.
Falguni.
Yeah.
So Lord is Uttara Falguni.
Is sun, no?
Yeah, exactly. Sun. Sun is the Lord of Uttara Falguni. So let's see where it is Sun. That will complete the circle. Sun is placed in the 12th house. So Jupiter is going to give the results of uh, uh, 12 and 11. So there is one loss angle to it. So career is having the circle is showing, moon is placed in the 6th house, okay house, Jupiter showing 3, 6, 11, lots of effort, but 12 number also coming, that shows that he is also going to incur loss because sun is placed in the 12th house. The
Okay.
11th lord is placed in the 12th house. That means there will be loss to to his career. His career is showing
Yes.
instability.
Yes. Yes.
So that you can see from here.
So
Uh,
we can take one more round with the Nakshatra Lord, Nakshatra Lord.
yeah, that will, yeah, exactly. That will pinpoint things. Even if you stop
Oh,
here, even if you stop here, it's okay. Result will be somewhat matching. But if you put one more step here, na, then it will just pinpoint. Your accuracy will improve to 80, 90%. Here, if you
okay.
put only up to Jupiter, your accuracy is 70, 70, 80. So if you put one more step, you will say that the real Jupiter is showing loss house because Sun is the nakshatra lord and it is sitting in the 12th house.
Okay.
So you just analyze the way I told you, career. You saw the
Yes.
marriage, and you saw the Dasa result. Dasa result is showing ultimate loss. Career is somewhat 11 number are coming. So you can say that with time things will improve because Ketu Dasa
Yeah.
is running. Things are little bit very cloudy. Dark clouds
Yes.
are hovering. But since there are 11 numbers also, or 11 is coming, this person with period of time can improve. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
but his career is not stable, you can say.
Okay.
Then you have to see the D10 chart also. So there are many things, we cannot discuss everything here. For our viewers, we just try to show that this is the way we can go ahead. Any particular aspect you want to know about this, Kundli?
Um, there is no specific. I think what is our current job actually? So is there something related with
Yeah,
the
he's having
moon and
problems. He's having problems related to job. I think he's jobless right now.
okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what will be the remedies? Because this is a remedy class also. So since Ketu Dasha is running, see one thing. We have to
Yeah.
give remedies according to the Dasha. Dasha is the player
Okay.
which is playing in the field. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Neither Rahu is playing, neither Jupiter is playing. The main player which is playing in the cricket field right now is Ketu. So we have to be very specific about this. And overall, if there are some dosas in the kundli, we'll also do some remedies regarding that. But our first step is to cure the running disease. The running disease is about Ketu. So Ketu is
Okay.
sitting in the Dhanishta nakshatra.
Okay.
So Dhanishta nakshatra, when I say Dhanishta nakshatra, there is a mantra of Dhanishta nakshatra. This person should always chant this mantra: Om Basu Bhayo Namaha,
Okay.
because the deity of this nakshatra is Ashta Basu.
Okay.
So he
Yeah.
should chant this mantra: Om Basu Bhaya Namaha.
Okay.
What he can do to energize this nakshatra or get positive results from this nakshatra, he should uh, he should keep mm, you he should use this symbol, animal symbol of this nakshatra. The animal symbol, see, every nakshatra has got a symbol. Okay, so
Okay.
this
Okay.
nakshatra is having a animal symbol and also a bird symbol, and also it has a plant. So three things. The
Okay.
nakshatra has a deity, the nakshatra has an animal, the nakshatra has a bird associated with it, and the nakshatra has a plant associated with. So this person should energize all these things. We should be associated more and more with these things. That will improve the Dhanishta nakshatra, and as a result, Ketu will give good results. We also have
Okay.
to address Ketu things, but first let's concentrate upon the nakshatra which is in which Ketu is there. So that his Mars gets good result. Mars starts giving good results. So he has to worship this deity. He can also search in the internet the image of the deity and can make a poster and can put it in his wall. Okay, the animal is
Okay.
the female lion. So what he should do, he should draw in his own hands so that he can feel the female lion. Okay, uh,
Okay.
he can draw that, keep it in the purse, in his purse
Okay.
at all the time, or just can put the same thing in his wall. That will also work. So he should also draw the same peacock, can keep it in the purse, or visit a bird sanctuary where peacock is there, give some food or something to peacock.
Yeah.
Okay, he
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
talk to the guards, security guards or whatever, they can donate something for the peacock. Okay, can keep
Yes.
peacock that more punk with him. Okay, more punk
Yeah.
he can
Definitely.
keep.
More fun.
And the symbol is the Sami tree. He can go near Sami tree, sit there for some while, or chant mantra of this deity, sitting there once in a month, or sometime in 3 4 times in a month. That will also help. Or give water to the Sami tree. Do some kind of seva. What I
Yeah.
meant to see, he should
So
associate
that he
himself.
can mitigate
Uh,
all the issues.
so
Yes.
that is nakshatra level remedies. Now coming to Ketu specific remedy is Lord Ganesha. He should chant
Okay.
Lord Ganesha mantra Om Gang Ganapataya Namaha or Ganesh Ashtra Sahasranam or anything related to Lord Ganesha. He can donate. He can give these 3 kela bananas on Wednesday,
Yeah.
or that dhruv grass. You know dhruv grass. A specific kind
Group.
of grass is there. It's called
Yeah. Yeah.
dhruv grass. So
Yeah.
he can get give or donate or just put in the feet of Lord Ganesha dhruv grass. That will also help. And he can give 3 laddus to, because Lord Ganesha always likes laddus. So he can give 3 laddu or 3 banana to Lord
Okay.
Ganesha. And also for Ketu, he should always feed street dogs.
Mhm.
Okay, that
Yeah.
helps.
Yeah.
That I
Ketu.
have seen.
Ketu
That I
is
have seen that.
represent dogs.
Yeah, that
Dogs.
always works. I have seen 110% works. Whenever you give or just do some seva of dogs, it definitely works. Ketu gets give good blessings. So these are the remedies which this person should do to mitigate all these negative aspects of Ketu, because he is running through a very difficult phase, Ketu Dasha. Ketu is a very moksha karak and a very simple planet, but in whichever house it stays, it just drains out all those energies related to that house. So this person is facing that problem. Okay, but Ketu is spiritual, so he should always be spiritual in his life, and he is spiritual, to be honest, and things will improve. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
after that Venus Dasha will come, it will be Lagnesh. So let's see where Venus is placed. If you want to predict
Yes.
the future, Venus is in the Aslesha. Who is the ruler of
Aslesha.
Aslesha?
Aslesha is Mercury.
Mercury is placed in the 12th house. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
so 12th house, you can come. Okay, let him do all these remedies for Ketu in the beginning. Let's not go so far. Let's see. I will advise him to do all these things. I will share this
Yeah.
video with him also. also to our viewers. Okay, this is the way we should do remedies. We should
Sure.
consider the nakshatra. First, we should take the dasha lord. See dasha lord where it is sitting in which nakshatra. Concentrate on the nakshatra. The deity, the
Yes.
symbol of the animal, the bird. Try to involve yourself with them. And the
Yeah.
planetary remedies are easy. Everybody gives the planetary remedies, but you should also focus on the nakshatra level remedies because the nakshatra
Yes.
has the final
Yes.
say. Okay.
Exactly.
So
Nakshatra is
this
very important.
so
So
this is
permanent
the
things.
yeah. So this is the way you should go for this. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Fine. Any doubt you can ask me. I am stopping this.
Yeah, definitely. But I am clear on that. So we have to do the first dasha for dasha nakshatra,
Mhm.
especially, and then bhukti lot.
Yeah.
And also we need to check the corresponding for career. We are checking the moon
Yeah.
star lot.
If you have a particular question about relationship, marriage,
Yeah.
we can
Suppose in
see.
this case,
Mm.
yeah, in this case Jupiter is in again. We are looking the one more round with the sun star.
Yeah,
Okay.
that you didn't know. No,
So
that I
can
didn't
we?
tell you. This is the formula. You should also see one more round. See,
Yeah.
it will
Suppose in
complete the circle.
remedies
No, no,
can we
no.
do
Remedies
okay
just for this
Jupiter?
that only. Yeah, that is
Okay.
enough. Okay.
Okay then.
No, no.
Yes.
Remedies what we did for the dasha. Ketu is sitting directly in the
Yeah, yeah,
nakshatra of
that's all.
Dhanishta. So that is
Yes.
where we have to stop. Dhanishta nakshatra we have to do remedies.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Because Ketu dasha is
Got it.
pending.
Got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Excellent. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm stopping here.